This is egg. My name is Roger. It's actually Roger. It's in my IC, see? Very handsome, right? My grandmother called me Lo Jia. Same thing. Recently, a lot of people have been very triggered by rice, specifically egg fried rice. So today, I'm in Singapore. This is a Singapore kitchen. I will teach you how to cook proper egg fried rice. First, the rice. We have rice bean. Inside got garlic. Dirty, must wash. Measure the amount of rice you need. 1 cup. Today I do 2 cups. Wash the rice. Very dirty. Stir with your hand. Pour away. Or you can also save this as plant food. Plant will love this. Plant food. 3 ways to measure water in your rice. There is one line here. See how many cups? Follow the line. Second line is this line, which you use here. Tip of your finger to the rice, and the line right here. Oh, too little. The third line is your knuckle line. See here, this line. Put your whole hand inside. The line here, okay. Put the rice in the rice cooker. Press play. See, all the Uncle Rogers use the same technology. It's 2020.
Meanwhile.
This is perfect rice. Smells so good. Now you need to froth the rice. Use plastic. Look, so beautiful, so white, so nice, so hot. Now you need to age the rice inside a Tupperware box. Also a very Asian thing. And also with technology, there is a new byproduct called rice chips. See this? Crispy, crispy. Look. Rice chips. Healthier than your potato chips. No salt. Healthy. And very sticky. Too healthy. No salt. Not nice.
The next.
Now I need to open the egg. Now, you whack the egg. Proper Asians use fire, not induction stove. Don't know. I don't know what that is. This glass thing. No. Fire. Watch. No metal. Garlic. Add toppings as desired. You must make them move and exercise. If not, they become fat, like me. Egg. Exercise some more. Add rice. Add soya sauce until your ancestor tell you to stop. Beautiful. white powder. Add coloring. Mix the coloring in like you mix your Nippon paint. Finish. Amazing.